Hey, what's up everyone? Jack here, and I'm down at a very loud Penn's Landing to check on the progress of the park at Penn's Landing. As a reminder, this is going to be an 11.5 acre park that goes all the way from Front Street right down here to the waterfront. And there's going to be a beautiful new pavilion, tons and tons of landscaping, a newly repositioned ice rink for the winter, and all sorts of other awesome amenities. The park is going to start at Walnut Street on its southern end and head all the way to Chestnut on the northern end. It's been a long time since we've been here, so we decided to make a quick visit to see all of the progress. So let's make a trek around the site, shall we?